Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to queue videos on your YouTube application or on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone or on your device, the website, and after that you should go to your home page and select the video that you want to queue your video. So tap on this three dots button below your video, and after that you can see this add to queue button at the top. It means that you can set up videos to watch next by adding it to your queue while continuing to watch content in this mini player. So here you can see it, and if you tap on another video it will be added to this section. So if you tap on this arrow here at the right side down below, you can see the videos that you have added to your queue. So add as many videos as you would like to watch, so they will be played automatically one by one here at this section. If you want to remove them, just tap on the three dots icon next to it and click on the remove from playlist button, and it will be removed from the queue. Here you can see it in the left side corner that it has been removed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.